Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
So we have completed rotation. Now let us move ahead with the next chapter. Gravitation. So Newton has established that every particle in the universe attracts
Mass and acceleration.
So suppose this is on mass m1, this is m2, this is being attracted. Force on 1. Similarly,
Force on M2 by M1.
okay, the magnitude of forces remains same, where r is the distance of separation between m1 and m2. Okay,
Yes,
G is called Can you tell the units of this G? This is Newton,
yes. Newton meter square. We can take
meter
kilogram.
square by kg into kg, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So one
One
minute.
minute.
1
One
minute.
minute.
Return the page. No.
Sir, please wait.
1 minute.
Completed.
Completed.
Yeah. Saastanga Jai. See, regarding the gravitational force, first thing is it is always attractive.
Yes, sir.
There is no question of repulsion here. Electric fields, magnetic forces, they are all attractive as well as repulsive. Like charges will be repelling, unlike charges will attract. Like poles will repel, unlike poles will attract. But always there is no like poles here. Any two masses must attract. Okay? It does
Yes, sir.
not depend
Independent of charges.
of the medium between the particles.
Yes, sir.
For example, if you take two magnets, if you keep nothing in between them, they'll attract. You keep wood or something, they won't attract. That means if the medium between them changes, definitely the force will change. Whereas here, you may keep water, oil, anything between the masses, always the force will remain same. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, here you can see action reaction pair. That means force on 1 due to 2 is equal and opposite to force on 2 due to 1. Okay, this is force
Yes.
on 2 due to 1.
1.
And
This is,
Force on 1 due to 2.
you should remember 1, 2 like that. Okay,
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
see for example, this is earth, this is apple. Now this is attracted by force on apple by earth. This is force on earth
Earth.
by apple.
Yes.
Force on earth by apple is same as force on apple by earth. Okay, understood this?
Yes, sir.
However, why Earth won't move? Because acceleration of Earth
Is very less.
mod of force on Earth by capital M. Okay, this is acceleration. Whereas acceleration of apple, if you take, this is force on that. Now you can see M is far greater than M now.
Yes,
Therefore, Earth has negligible acceleration. Understood this?
understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute.
Finish it this?
Completed, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
See here, it is a two-body interaction. See, suppose this is M1, no?
Yes, sir.
Now force on M1 due to M2 will be this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Force
suppose this
on
is
M.
D.
Yes, D1 square.
Okay, follow this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if I keep the same situation, I'll keep another mass here. What will happen?
Sir.
Will the force change?
No. Mm,
See here, remember that F12 is how much?
Sir. GM1 and M2 by D. D1, sir. M2. And one towards M2.
Agreed. And you can see that there is an extra force. This is
D2.
Yes,
force 1 3. Force on 1 due to 3.
GE M1 M3 by D3 square. Sorry, D2 square.
From M1.
M1 towards M2.
See, right? You can see that force on M1 due to M2 remains same irrespective of presence or absence of other masses. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is only two body interaction. Understood this? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That means gravitational force between two particles is independent of presence or absence of what? Other particles.
Yes,
Understood this? Clear
understood.
enough?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
No, no.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Hello? Completed?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir, please. Yes. Yes, sir. Complete.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So this is called Understood this? This is what we are doing now.
Yes, sir. This is what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, the above method is called force on a particle due to do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Next one, it is a conservative force, no?
Yes, sir. Conservative force. Does not depend on path independent.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. One doubt, sir. Sir, is Newton's law of gravitation applicable for charges? Two
Any
charges.
masses, any mass, not only any mass, it is applicable.
Yes.
Anything has mass, it is applicable.
Sir, then if two like charges are kept, then there will be gravitation, sir.
There will be gravitational force and repulsive electric force. And electric forces will dominate because they are much larger than gravitational forces. You see that in second year. That is the reason why these forces are negligible.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Followed?
sir. Clear. Followed, sir.
The interesting fact, right from times immemorial, how maths was developed, you should know. Actually, Newton has proved this law, but he is unable to apply these bodies. For particles, he could establish. So he took 20 years for him to announce this full-fledged, that is how to apply to bodies, everything. The entire paper to develop that, it took 20 years. During these 20 years, he developed one thing called as, what is that?
Calculus.
He
Logic.
has found calculus. Okay, this calculus is, that is the reason why essentially is a part of physics. Unfortunate thing is it has become hijacked like that because of our educational policy. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, complete.
Complete.
Minute. Take one question. A mass
Yes.
capital M understood this?
Yes, sir.
See here, M is there now.
Yes, sir.
Let it be two parts, this split. Suppose this is M, this is what?
M minus
M
Now,
minus A.
whenever they are kept at a distance, this distance is D, that is fixed. So, what is the force between them? Anything you
F1,
can take.
F2, G M1
T
M2
M1
by
M2 by D square.
M minus M into D square. Sorry, by D square.
Now, here you can see With, can you tell what?
Sir,
Use your
Distance.
mathematical sense, man.
M
Huh?
plus
small.
distance.
Hopeless fellow, that is fixed, certain distance. Force
Yes.
varies with small m. Total mass remains constant, d, g are constant now.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, for maximum force, what you should have?
df by df is equal to 0.
So this gives you what? So m equals how much? M by 2.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, m1 is m, m2 is also. Okay, so the ratio of these parts that comes to be 1, no? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1 minute.
No, those who have completed this, can you suggest any other method other than calculus? Shall I turn this?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Complete.
Any other method? Hopeless fellows. Idiots, tell one fellow will see your mathematical sense.
Yes, sir.
What maths, man? Idiots. Without calculus can be, see, maxima, minima can be found by two methods. What are those?
Sir, one using calculus.
The other one? That we don't know. Because syllabus is completed now. Hopeless fellow, maximum, minima can be done even by algebraic methods.
Sir, AM greater than or equal to GM.
No, no, all that AM, GM, all that is not. No. Don't think too much, man, unnecessarily. You're talking about all high level, which is not necessary, complicating things. Can I write like this? See?
Yes, sir. We can write. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. We
Yes, sir.
can
You
write.
can write.
Okay, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minimum value of a square was 0, no?
0.
Yes, sir.
You got the same thing, no?
Yes, sir.
At least you're unable to tell that by algebra method also we can do. The reason is you are oriented only with that formulas, no thinking. It will be troubling for you at advanced level. Be careful. Anyhow, no doubt.
Yes, sir.
In physics also, what you listen in AIMS classes, that is enough for mains. Because advanced of the problems are coming because we are trying to. If people join for advanced, no
Yes, sir.
problem is that. You never use algebraic methods, I think. Only calculus only.
Yes, sir. We can use it.
This is
Only use
actually a it's very simple one. If you know this, it's a very good method. Anyhow, shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
See here, why the particles will movement? For a circular motion of a particle, what is needed?
The centripetal force
There
necessary.
should be a radial force. Now
Yes.
suppose this is one mass m1. Who provides the centripetal force? There is nothing here. So only possibility is if m2 is opposite to this, then you can see there is a force on this. No?
Yes, sir. On both parts.
That means the particles must be diametrically situated. No?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So
Agreed.
particles will remain diametrically opposite, so that force on each particle will be directed towards center radially. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Now you can see for any particle, by do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Where r is the radius of the circle now. So now what is f12? G m1 m2 by the radius is 2r, no?
Yes, sir. 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
So find out v. m1 equals m2 you gave.
Yes, sir. Given M1 is equal to M2. Equal masses.
Understood this? Method is
Yes, sir.
followed. See
Follows.
man, you behave with the logic you do any subject like a scientist exploring, then you'll enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Simply substituting some formulas, getting the answer, weekend examination, my job, all this you come out of that, you'll enjoy. Because it's not the end, no. After you go to engineering also, IIT is also to study there. There also high degree of logic will be there. After that you go to job, there same problem. So logical thinking is part of your future. It's a driving force. Actually, it is from beginning it should be inculcated. Schools have killed that logical thinking by creating unwanted stuff. What is the use of that competition in school, man? Hopeless competition. 10th class marks, 9th class marks, any subject anybody knows. I got school first, I got school second. What will do that? Tissue paper, no knowledge, nothing. Till here he completed.
Completed, sir.
At least from now
One more
on
thing.
to elevate yourself and brighten your future, illuminate the world. Think logically. It may take some time, at least for the next 1 year, 2 years development. What is this mugging up? Some name you will tell. No reason, nothing. Some family will substitute. If formula substitution is so gets you into IIT, why all these problems come unnecessary?
Yes, sir.
Finished this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Complete.
sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
1.5 million took the G qualified. Now, what is IIT? You should know, no? So 13,000 seats. Each seat there are how many?
115.
150.
115 aspirants. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you read this, you'll be knowing how much is the competition we are having. Anyway, why I'm showing all this is be productive in what you are doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, you're able to learn this.
Yes, sir.
Despite all the hard work engineering students put in a survey conducted in 2019, 80% of engineers are not fit for any job in the knowledge economy, and only 2.5% of them possess technical skills in AI, artificial in that industry requires. The skill gap between what they learn and what is required of them in their workplace makes them unemployable. Understood it? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
problem we are facing right from schools. Every school, marks. Parents are also like that one, you know. My child studied in by some X school, he got 10 by 10. Another fellow studies in ICSC, he will get 8 by 10. But at 8 by 10, because of the nature of the paper, the syllabus, he'll get less. And some parent, my child got 60 out of 60 in physics in IP, but he didn't get in mains. Any sense is there? There is no comparison. IIT is totally a platform where IIT professors set the paper extraordinarily, man. We should salute. I really catch their feet and I pray. My obeisances to the lotus feet. The way they set the paper, extraordinary paper they'll give. What is this nonsense? Syllabus completion. Idiot. You are unable to at least find a name also I did not hear. Maximum, by another method means by algebra, sir, we can do. At least I should have been happy. No, nothing.
No, sir. We are hearing first time, sir.
Huh?
We are hearing first time, sir.
You will hear, man, because you people are learning for. You will never question why we should do that method. Nothing. Why I'm fool or what? Why I should discuss with you, show so many things, encourage you, go slow because you are in a molding stage. You're a kid. What do you know, man? You'll never question. Answer we got right. One formula, a substitute that tell a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A to these three. Tell that, right. For that, you'll compete and tell the answer. I don't know. What is the use of it? In future, man, I'm telling, no, none of our, you people, we, your parents or myself or X, Y, Z won't be with you. Only you have to struggle. From now on only, give. I told you to read that foreign author book because of that only. Some creativity will increase. I posted one book you have seen,
Yes, sir.
So can
University
you send
Physics.
it again, sir? Can you resend it?
Pardon?
Can you resend it? It is not showing. It is saying deleted from the
Deleted.
channel.
Anybody has? Jasim, you have, man?
I
Sir,
have.
university physics, that only, sir.
I don't
You
remember the
posted.
name.
It's that
Can you
only.
please resend it, sir?
I'll okay.
Thank you.
Why I am telling is I'm not against your attitude. You are kids actually, you don't know anything. Poor parents send you to school expecting so many things. The idiotic teacher there spoil you beyond recognition. They'll give something, mug up the same question banks will come. They'll conduct that exam. Anybody are there in Hyderabad? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
There is
sir.
one, there is one famous college, CBIT engineering. You know that now. In private
Yes.
colleges, it is a good college. People say, okay, you go to that college, just communicate with the professors, so-called senior professor in English. See how many of them at least speaks in English. Because one of the communication is essence for the teaching part, no?
Yes, sir.
Private sector always thinks whoever comes cheaper, they'll employ them, man. That is the nature.
Yes, sir.
So private sector, we should not rely. Company, whenever this is not good, leave that, go to another place, that's all. Government, no work, nothing, sitting lazy. First thing, improve your brain, man. Teachers spoiled, oh badly. Marks, marks, marks. This corporate system of teaching, everything has come. Now the new trend is not subject teaching. How to impress the student. That is the main center point. Instead of studying, all this nonsense has come. Oh, pathetic, man. At least my blood pressure is rising like anything. Maximum, minimum, other than calculus, means one word did not come from the student community. Anyhow, not on this. You'll go like this to IITs. What you'll do, man, over there? IIT graduate pawn shop, IIT graduate Michi Bhaji canteen like that, you'll keep or what? You'll be washed out over there. If without knowledge you enter into that, finished. Getting IIT is tip of iceberg. After that, again you have to study now.
Yes, sir. We have to study.
IITs are regarded as the best because of the entrance. So tough exam they'll keep. The great brains will enter into that. So any company come, they need not search everywhere. They are available in IITs. First they'll go to IITs and pick them up. If they cannot pay to that much where IITs demand, they go to second category colleges, NITs, next to universities, next to top 10 private colleges, next to Dakota, nobody will go there. You have to go. Note on this.
Yes.
Don't feel that daily I am touching by this. I am making it to enlighten. Lord Buddha got enlightened after marriage and giving delivery, after blessed with children. Before that only I am telling, before your life goes out of control, take care of it. God has given a beautiful gift to us, that logic and IQ, where no other creature has. You will have logic at least, don't know.
Who, sir?
Highest logic which creature will have?
Human.
Humans.
Why? Why?
Sir, because he
The
gets
highest logic will be in the creatures where the spinal cord is vertical. That's why chimpanzees also they have better logic other than other animals. You know that the spinal cord is flat means that means they don't have zero logic. You should know anatomy also. Okay, there are some reasons for this. Follow. That's the reason. Sit straight. We will say no. Why they
yes,
ask to sit straight? Military fee, be straight means spinal cord should be straight. Then brain will function better. If we say now, no, this fellow, no other workers, I'll sleep on bed, I'll do whatever I want. Who is this fellow? Nowadays, generation feels like that. Right.
no,
Not human. Generation, I said, not all. Maybe one or two people, they are good people, no? All are getting advanced in MS. They all got 92nd rank. They are children who will realize. Those people only will ultimately come up. This year also we got two good ranks, no? And in February, 99 percentile plus two children are there. They are people who listen. Others always they'll be dreaming. I'll do that. This procrastination we say. Right, come back to this. Syllabus completion. I have done around 70 to 80 problems in rotation. Why should I do them? Do you think I can't do 2, 3 problems and finish the syllabus?
Yes, sir.
We should do- As far as possible, within the time limit, my attitude is let us help the students. But still, student cannot do what we can do. Like there are three particles and three corners. Find the force exerted on another particle of. Where is the other particle, man? Midpoint of side A. So this is the third, another particle. On this we need. Okay. So I'll number them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now can you tell force on 3, so force on 4 due to 3. What is this? Force on 4 due to 2. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
This
Agreed.
distance is same, no?
Same.
Yes, sir.
Magnitude wise they are same or not?
Same.
Same,
Masses
sir.
are same. Distance also same.
Therefore, direction wise they are opposite, no? Following this.
Following, sir.
Cap
Yes,
means
sir.
direction. Therefore, F43 and F42 will become 0. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you are left with only this, no?
Yes, sir.
Force on 4 due to 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now find out that. What is the distance, man? If this is A, this is how much it will be?
Root 3 by root 3. So, sir, root 3 by 2a. Root 3 by 2. Yes.
So here force on 4 due to 1. How much C?
Yes.
Agree?
Agreed, sir.
Should give direction also, no?
Yes, sir. That's difficult.
Follow this?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
1 minute, 7. Done, sir.
Done.
Then second part is there, do it. You can do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Midpoint, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, at the center of the triangle, sir. Centroid.
Centroid 9 GL square by A square. Sir.
This is centroid, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All are equal masses, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
No, all these forces are equal only, no?
Yes, sir.
Equal, sir. Equal.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
There are three forces. You know what? This is 30-30. So what will be this? 120 now.
120.
This is 120 now.
Yes, sir. 120.
So what is the net force? 0.
Yes.
Remember,
Remember, sir, that
in
is
vectors we learned this. Net
Yes, sir.
force.
That was
Forgot?
0. No, remember, sir. Remember.
One second.
Yes.
See, in vectors we have come across look, you refer your notebook, it will be there in this.
Yes, sir. By
So here F, how many forces are there?
forces. 120 by 2. Sin 60.
This is sine how much?
So sin 180 is 0.
Remember this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
99% you might have not remembered.
Yes, sir. Or what frequency? Now remember.
Madam,
Remember,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this you have come across in vectors also, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In mathematics, you have done this.
No, sir.
You're supposed to do, whether you've done or not, that I don't know, but you're supposed to do.
In mathematics, not that.
Right. Anyhow, till there, any doubt is there, man?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
You can see that it's very easy, no? From now on, your physics will be all the troubles you face. That much difficult won't be there. Easy means not like chocolate, like rotation, it won't be. Right, then we'll meet in the next class, okay? Right then.
Uh,
Okay, sir.
Because
Thank you.
now match time is over, no? Right, man. Take care. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. మాస్క్ పెట్టుకుంటున్నాను మాస్క్ పెట్టుకుంటున్నాడా మీ బాబు కేసులు బాగా పెరిగిపోతూ ఉంటాయి